Dolan here, the marketing director at Carteret Mobile Park. My home in Carteret.com. Look us up on our new website. Today we want to feature this new house that recently got listed. It was pre-owned, and we have the honor and privilege of selling this house for the owner. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. It's 720 square feet. Take a look at this beautiful yard. This little shed goes with the house. It's got beautiful gray siding with the blue shutters. We have sidewalks here in Carteret, so you've got this great little patio area. You can put your lounge chairs or your little patio set. This is a multi-section home, which is pretty rare in our community, but we're happy and excited to show you. Come on in. And here we are in the living room of this house. This carpeting is magnificent. Our homeowner kept it so meticulously. He had everybody take off their shoes when they arrived. So this white carpeting is still white. You've got 3 windows here. This wonderful ceiling fan, especially on a hot day like today, it really adds the air conditioner all over the place. And this is an open floor plan. This is linoleum in the kitchen. It's in magnificent condition also. This kitchen is a great open area. You've got your, what looks like a brand new refrigerator. You're going to be amazed how well this house was taken care of. It's going to feel like a brand new house. You've got your double stainless steel sink with a little spout. This is a much deeper sink than I recall. Great little window overlooking the yard. I have a little bonus to tell you. Our homeowner never used the dishwasher, so it's still got the books and the information. So here you have your Whirlpool stove and oven and the Whirlpool microwave. These are oak cabinets, and they are adjustable, so you can move that around in any way you need to do. Lots and lots of space. We're really pleased with how pretty this house is. When we get a minute, we're going to go into the second part of the house, and I'll show you the bedrooms and the bathroom. Now I want to show you the second bedroom first. This is a great room. We have cathedral ceilings and plenty of space for a bed or a study or a guest room, whatever you please. And it has a really spacious closet. Directly across the hall is your utility room. The fabulous thing about this is you've got your washer and dryer, your back door, your hot water heater, and your furnace all in one little area. So this is like the best kind of mudroom you could possibly have. And these again are Whirlpool, and you've got plenty of cabinetry, lots of space. Your hot water heater is over here, and your furnace is behind the door. Everything's in meticulous condition. Now let's take a look at this really pretty bathroom. I'm really proud to show this because everything's in such great condition. You have your 1-piece fiberglass bathtub unit, and there is a fan. I have it off for the noise, and you've got lighting above the, well, I can show you this. This is your medicine cabinet. Your lighting above there. Your lighting above the ceiling. It's in great condition. I love this house. It's so pretty. And now let's look in the master bedroom. It's so quiet back here. It's so cozy. This is a really ample bed. This is a queen size. You could probably fit a king. And then a real interesting bonus is the walk-in closet. We don't rarely get those, so that's really nice. Of course, you've got your electric panel behind the door. Everything's handy in case there's any need to. Let's go in the kitchen and I'll give you a little explanation of the rest of the procedure. So I want to thank all our YouTube viewers and subscribers because of your interest in what we're building here. We're building quality, innovative, affordable manufactured homes. We've had a torrent of people contacting us. So because of that, I have to have everybody get an email. I call it my informational email. It's very extensive. It tells you who we are, what the process is, and what we're all about, what we're selling. We're selling manufactured homes, not trailers, not mobile homes. It's a construction standard that what we're building closer to a modular home than the mobile homes of bygone era, which are more like RVs. So you'll get my informational email. If you're interested, if you read what you like, you want to contact me back again through email, then I will send you 15 pre-qualifying questions, and those questions will help us determine whether we're a good fit, whether you're good for this community, and whether we're making the right home that would be perfect for you. And pretty much I tell people you're buying 3 things. 1 is the house, 2 is the financing if you need it, and 3 is a relationship with us as the landlords. So the 3rd step after getting the 15 pre-qualifying questions is coming in, viewing the houses if they're available, and this house is available to tour for those who answer the 15 pre-qualifying questions. Then you would fill out the resident application. That resident application is $40 per adult for us to do a criminal and a credit check. And that way you're approved. And once you're approved, you're welcome to purchase any house that's available or being built. So the 4th step is once you've done all that and you've been approved as a resident, then I would send you, at your request if you need it, 3 finance companies who offer loans in New Jersey for a manufactured home in a land lease community. So those 3 criteria are the people that I'm going to be giving to you, the companies. And I want to be honest with you, we receive no financial benefit from giving these companies out as a resource. We really offer it just as a courtesy to our home buyers. And the reason is many people go to their banks or their credit unions and they aren't able to get a loan for a house, a manufactured house in a land lease community. So these 3 companies provide exactly that, and they know the quality of a Dolan home and a Dolan community. So many times they give our loans, our residents loans when maybe they're on the border because they know that the risk for them is less because they're going to be living in one of our communities. And you know what? That makes us feel really, really proud to be part of the process and help people get loans. So then after that, what is it? You get your resident application, you do your financing, and then we work up a purchase agreement. It's a very simple closing. It's not like your real estate closing. No attorneys, no real estate, no taxes, no points. It's a simple contract. You own the house, we own the land. Anything you do on the outside of the house, you have to put it in writing. It's in the lease, and I'd be providing the lease if anyone wants it. So you know all the rules and regulations that are necessary for living here in one of our communities. Pretty much it's just being thoughtful. That's what's in the lease. And I think that's about it. So the first step is email me. So email me at info@dolanhomes.com and I'll tell you in writing more about this house. Thanks for stopping in.